Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a front foot assembly on your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. If applicable, pull the range away from the anti-tip bracket. Have an assistant help you to lift the front of the range up, then support it with a wood block or a comparable sturdy object. Pull out the warming drawer and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the old foot assembly. Install the new front foot assembly by aligning it on the frame. Then thread and tighten the 2 screws to secure. Close the warming drawer and adjust the new foot so the appliance is level from side to side and front to back. Reposition the range in the anti-tip bracket if applicable. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the electric range should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.